Hey guys, third day of July 2025. I was on this park a long time ago, in the winter one time, but I kind of saw one day, I'm like, hey, I'm gonna go walk around this little nature trail. I don't know how far it goes, but we're, like I said, in Edina. We'll walk around a little bit, so our cigar. Always like these kind of little trails that go places. Yeah, they gave me a new camera after the other one went tits up on me. The microphone didn't work, so but now it's working. I got, it's a different way to show you green on, but they sent it to them and they sent me a brand new one. So anyway, here we are. Kind of cool, I think. Before, had a little red thing up there. This is a green thing across the front, so I can see it. But I sent it out, and I think about 2 weeks, brand new one. So I like it. I mean, I like my GoPro, but I do like this Action 4. But anyways, there's another. They have a bike trail like the one I've done over Lone Lake. I've seen. I want to walk that someday. But this is kind of a cool little area. I was here in the winter about 3 years ago, I think, over in the park. I walked through it. Kind of showed you the look at the wintertime. Very busy park here in Edina. I do this at 2.7K. I don't bother at 4K. It's just not worth it. It takes too long to upload. But kind of a cool little walk. Guaranteed it's a really nice area back here in the fall. You can tell if it gets some rain, there floods over. I biked that one trail a long time ago, 9 Mile Creek Trail. That's a cool place to bike. See where this goes over here. We'll walk back over there. Here that goes. It's beautiful day. It'll hopefully be hot in the 90s, so it's kind of a good day to walk around the woods. Took some time off and what the hell, kind of slow back at the shop. What the hell? I've seen the sign before. I'm like, I'm gonna go walk back in here, see what it's all about. So it kind of goes off into distance down there. So we're here, so see where it goes. As I said before, the Oregon Highway 1, when you get there by Scenic Highway, so all kinds of cool stuff. You can go walking back in there. Got a little rain, so you can tell it's a little muddy. I love following trails. Just as long as you don't get lost like that one lady in the Appalachian Trail. Many years ago, she had to go to the bathroom. Instead of just going off a couple of 10 feet, she went too far out, and they ended up finding her dead in her tent. It was a shame. But oh, this is over here. Kind of like a little area. Come back in here. Excuse me. Yeah, this kind of ends back into here, it looks like. Kind of swampy area back in here, so. Kind of goes around over here. Can't tell. Come back in here and smoke some weed, right? Now you can smoke weed here in Minnesota. The Native Americans have been smoking weed for a while now up north, but I'm not a big pot smoker, but if you want to smoke it, you can smoke it. I guess. It's kind of cool. There's something back in here. Kind of cool. I don't think I'm going to do the state fair anymore. Those are kind of boring. You guys have seen state fair many times. Those don't go anywhere. It's not a big deal. You go through on that Saturday and hang out. I mean, I like the state fair, but you know, videotaping, you've seen it all. Head back over here. Kind of fun to follow the trail back into here. What the hell, right? I know the Pocket 3 is real popular. They're like $715. You know, back here in the fall, when everything's turning colors, probably pretty cool. So, yeah, my dad died July 4th, so this will be out later on, and probably in November, whatever. Tonight we're going to go to St. Louis Park. We're going to have the fireworks day before, and then the annual breakfast. So it's kind of cool. There's Crosstown right over there. The main park where I walk the wintertime is over there. They have a pool, hold on, yards. Edina is a nice community. A lot of people can move back in, like where I live in Minnetonka. They move back because they're nice communities. They got good schools. That's why a lot of immigrants want to settle out here in the West. They've always had good schools, so I guarantee it floods over. It's just kind of a cool nature area to walk. Kind of cool. This bridge is kind of needs a little tender loving care. Get the Boy Scouts out here, fix a little bit, I guess. I don't know if they still do that anymore, but it used to be really good when the Boy Scouts fixed up over there a long time ago, and then they got run over or whatever, but it was kind of cool. I mean, I like my GoPro 10, but it heats up so quick. Kind of cool. Kind of going the fork in the road. Bring back some kindergartens back in here and walk around back in here, show them what Mother Nature's all about. Kind of like the place behind my house I've walked before. Walk around back in there, really kind of cool. So this kind of goes kind of swampy area back, kind of stops, but I think if it's not too overly grown water, Probably walk through here. It's cool. I didn't know this was here. I saw a sign one day driving by. I'm like, I'm gonna go. So I kind of pulled off the road. I went and looked. I'm like, hey man, what the hell, right? So you don't know unless you go, right? Very cool. No trash. I'm gonna come back here in the fall. Later on, maybe in September, we'll see how it looks back in here. Go for a walk back in here. But kind of cool. Kind of a trail back, and I think that kind of circles around there where you saw before. I like how it's maintained. There's no garbage. Kind of nice. Anyways, let's this video number 1. See you next one.